So for this short video, I'm going to show you how to use some of the editing tools in GarageBand to create some detail in your video. So in this section from the Mickey Mouse Haunted House, I'm going to mute the sound. You can see Mickey walks up to the door and he knocks on this door. Okay, so I've uploaded the sound of a door knock, and I use my playhead to find out where he knocks the first time, right there. And I've lined my sounds up. So I have my knock sounds lined up with the first knock. But if I watch it, watch and listen, you might notice that he knocks again after the knocking sounds end. Watch it again. So I have my knock sounds there, but it doesn't really appear that it lines up exactly. Now if I go back and use my playhead to drag my playhead, I'm going to count how many times he knocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he knocks 5 times. But if I look here at the sound I uploaded, there are actually 6 knocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, but the knocks happen so quickly that that's over before he's finished knocking. So I'm going to use some of my editing tools here to really make this detailed and accurate. So first I'm going to bring my playhead over here to the first knock, and then I'm going to come over here to my zoom tool, and I'm going to zoom in a little closer so I can see the sound. Now I'm going to put my playhead right at the beginning of that sound, and then I'm going to hold down the command key next to my space bar and type the letter T. So that splits my track. So I'm going to click on this part and delete it. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to split this, and then I'm going to come to the beginning of the second knock and I'm going to split. Then I'm going to click here and delete. I'm going to move my playhead again, click on the track to highlight it, command T to split, move my playhead again, command T, click and delete, drag my playhead, click on the track, command T, drag my playhead here, command T, click delete, move that playhead, click, command T, and I need one more knock. So command T, click and delete, come over here, click, command T, and I'm going to delete that last knock. Now I'm going to click and drag to highlight these 4 knocks and slide them over a bit so I've got some room. Now if I come back to the first knock with my playhead and see, there's the knock. So now I'm going to really line this sound up. My first knock here. Now I'll grab my playhead and look for the second knock right there. Now I'm going to come grab this second one, click and drag, and line it up. Then I'm going to grab my playhead and find the third knock right there. So I grab this one and I'm going to line it up. And then I'm going to grab my playhead and find the 4th knock. Click my sound over here, line it up. And then let me find the last knock there. Click and drag. Now I'm going to zoom back out. So there are my 5 knocks, and I'm going to watch and listen again. So now I've got each of those knocks happening exactly when his hand hits the door. And my sounds are lined up just by taking that original track, using my command T to split, deleting the parts that I don't need, and then using my playhead to line the sounds up exactly with what I see. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I hope you're having fun